Over the summer at Hageman Elementary, we had a whole new HVAC system put in. This work is going to be very beneficial for our students and staff this year. Last year we had some days where things maybe didn't work, so we're going to be starting this year where our students and staff are going to be much more comfortable and learning will be that much more positive.
So when they upgrade a HVAC system, this includes pulling the rooftops off, the old rooftops off, replacing them with new ones. On the control side, we go around and the upgrade also includes all new controls throughout the school, which gives us better controls. Now we have humidity sensors, CO2 sensors throughout the building, so this makes it a more efficient system and more comfortable system.
We've had a very busy summer. Our entire roof has been replaced in addition to our tennis courts being sealed. We had significant cracks throughout both areas of the tennis courts. So the cracks were sealed and then the entire surface was repainted and is currently in the process of being restriped and preparing for our community and our students to return to the tennis courts.
But we did have some leaks throughout the building, so it was time to put a new roof on it. So we did do a complete overlay on the entire roof, which is about a little under 800 squares. So it was a fairly big job, and this will definitely help our leak problems and also make the roof more insulated and better efficient. The roof at Melville, we did the library section, and then on the south end of the building we did around the quad area, and we got extra insulation so it'll be more efficient roof as well.
It was just, I think, something that needed to be done, needed to be replaced, kind of the age of the previous roof. Some minor leak issues here and there, and hoping that it also helps just with some heating and cooling of the building.
The retaining wall at Oakville Senior, we believe was installed incorrectly, and we had some water get underneath it through the asphalt, which collapsed the wall.
We host for athletic events quite a bit of our family and our community, and so we want to make sure that our facilities are safe as well as aesthetically pleasing and support our activities for our students.